Kia Stinger GT. Nice exhaust. Gotta admit, this is a nice car, but it has only 26,000 miles and the check engine light is on. So, oh, well, that wiper inserts are tricky. This is uncharted territory for me because I'm mainly a Honda guy, but let's see what we find. Let's see. Okay, trouble codes. Active. So cylinder number 4 misfire. Okay. So much glare. Okay, so we have a p0304. This is the freeze frame. It's really important. A lot of technicians just pass by on this info, but this is great info. Freeze frame is the data before the check engine light has set, and the important part of this is for me is the temperature, the speed of the vehicle when it was running, and the fuel trims, and the throttle position on how much demand the owner wants, if he wants to go fast or is he just cruising. The rail pressure is also important, and okay, oftentimes there's a lot of info here that you don't need, but mainly want the speed, the vehicle speed when it happened. It's 0 miles per hour, so this misfire was detected just idling. So to verify it, just start the car, let it idle. Correct. And it doesn't seem like it's doing it right now. Okay, be right back. Let me double check something else. Okay, hopefully my scan tool will have the misfire data while that is establishing. Let's go peek under the hood. Let's see what kind of engine this Kia has. This is Kia Smart Stream G Turbo, and 4-banger 2022. Honestly, this thing should be under warranty. Lights here at Simon's Garage. Yeah. Okay, so this is turbocharged, and of course high fuel pressure. And your number 4 will be, is the belt side, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your problem one. We're gonna remove the plug and swap coils, maybe. We'll see. Alright, so this is what I selected for this. I am not familiar with the wording that they use here, but I haven't swapped coils or anything else. But basically I'm looking for the numbers to be even for the injection time, which is the pulse width modulation of the fuel injection, fuel injectors. That's the time when the fuel injectors are open. and look like they're even. For that fuel pressure, I'm not sure what the spec is for the fuel pressure, but that is really high. Maybe that's the way it is. And instead of saying cylinder misfire, it has total catalyst. I guess this is for severe miss. I'm revving it right now. Let me see. Okay, right now I'm gonna make my own misfire. Actually, hang on. Okay, should do it. I'm making my own misfire now. That's a miss. Let's see if my scantle here will pick it up. Oh yeah, so that is live. That's it. That's what I'm trying to see on cylinder number 4. But that cylinder number 1 is me. I created that misfire, but as you see, cylinder number 4 is 0. It's not misfiring. So the misfire at idle, as the freeze frame data has given us, it's not happening at the moment. So I'm gonna go for a test drive real quick. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I got the ignition coil out, and this is a spark plug. It doesn't look good at all. You can smell it. Doesn't smell like fuel. Could also be a fuel injector, but it's not happening at the moment. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna swap coils. We're gonna put number 4 ignition coil to number, I'll pick one, and then switch the spark plug also. Go from there. Purchase right. Okay, this is from cylinder number 1. Oh, cylinder number 4 going to number 1. The plug only. Okay, and then I'm gonna put number 1 to number 4, the spark plug only. We're basically doing like a process of elimination here. So I'm gonna switch the coil as well, but it's gonna be on a different one. Like put a mark on the suspect one, which is number 4. Because it could be a faulty ignition coil, it could be a faulty fuel injector, it could be mechanical, it could be a spark plug only. So this is how to troubleshoot it basically. So this one is gonna go to number 2. This is our suspect one. It's gonna go to cylinder number 2 and go for a test drive. If something shows up, then we'll pick it up. If not, we're just throwing spark plugs on it, and probably one ignition coil, and do a fuel injector cleaning and hope for the best. Okay, I got the spark plugs and the coils switched up. We're gonna go for a test drive, see if the misfire will move away or it's gonna pick up any. Probably not. So guys, it's decision time. So I already went for a test drive, and it's not picking up any misfire, as you can see. 0000. So it's either you can tell the customer that, hey, we are not able to duplicate the complaint or the symptom on your vehicle, and suggest to replace the spark plugs, just because in my experience those spark plug does not look good at all, and suggest one ignition coil, which is the number 4 ignition coil, just in case. You know, do not recommend all 4, just recommend one, because this vehicle is only low miles. Just in case that ignition coil is faulty at times. The enemy of electrical parts is heat, usually. I hope you guys learned something on this one. And guess what? Hey, another Kia is next. See you guys in the next one, okay?